We had heard about this when it first started, and we wanted to be a part of it.
The foster treatment program is something that we've never experienced in terms of the support that you get.
I think first and foremost for us is the support that we receive. All the professional services from psychologists, psychiatrists, to speech pathologists.
Having a real team approach, including the family, including the birth family, everybody working for the best interest of this one child.
They're super focused on our child, but they're also focused on our family. So they know that we function best when our family is doing well. So they're concerned with how everyone in our family is doing.
The fact that we have staff like the ranch team to access, like literally 24/7 in terms of crisis, in terms of if we just need support, even ideas.
Professionalizing foster care means that we are held to a higher level of practice and care for kids who often come with very serious and complex histories and sometimes some significant needs, as in our case. So it allows us to have the capacity, and it challenges us to have the capacity to make sure that we do the best that we possibly can, that we provide the best that we possibly can, that we advocate for our kids as best we can.
Cultural identity is very important to especially Aboriginal youth. It gives them a sense of purpose, a sense of belonging.
When it comes to dancing, she's went out on her own, practiced, and gotten better on her own, which is really good. They're starting to develop their own personality, which is really good to see.
We spend a lot of time working to keep culture in their lives because it's important to us, because it helps them understand who they are.
Once we agreed that this was something that we were interested in, and once that we thought it was a good fit for our family, we had a visit in the community. We went to the park a couple times, and then to Dairy Queen, and then she had a couple of sleepovers at our house before she moved in.
I think the ranch program as well did a great job of kind of finding out our strengths and what we're comfortable with, what we're not comfortable with.
It is very important to make the foster child feel like a part of the family. Then it will be much easier to meet his needs.
As part of the foster program, we have access to a wonderful assessment team.
So assessments were absolutely helpful. So it allowed us to know where she's at and then make a plan from there that best suits where she is today to help her to grow where she needs to be tomorrow.
We work with foster children's birth family with visits and phone calls, and right now they're in the process of moving back with Dad.
We have a higher needs foster daughter, and we've required respite services for her just to give our family a break and our other biological children.
We provide respite care for one of the families in the program, and that just means that the foster family has a little bit of a break, knowing that their kids are in a home that has been fully trained and provides professional care as well.
It's not only for us to get a little break, but it's also for the other kids too to get a little break. Sometimes the kids need to get away from us too.
We can't imagine our lives without her, and it's hard to imagine our lives before she came.
You can see them grow and mature and change.
It's just been amazing for us. We can't believe that we get paid to care for kids, which we love to do anyways. So it's been really awesome for our family.
Yeah, it really is a solid program in terms of just having tons of support available because there's such a need, right, for kids. I feel the ranch focuses on each child, and each child is kind of empowered to be who they are, and yeah, just to really kind of encourage them, walk with them, and love them.
The ranch is an amazing program. It offers amazing programs for the kids and for the families that are looking after them.
Knowing that we're providing a safe environment for the kids to just become themselves and to be kids.
We have personally seen the transformative power of family and of not giving up and of love in our little girl.
I would highly recommend this program to anyone who has a heart for children.
It will totally transform your life.